So when you're looking at solving an exponential equation, you want the bases to be the same. You can look at this one and see that this is looks like a pretty challenging question in the sense of like, how would you solve for x? You don't use the typical ways of solving in this case. So you have to know how to solve an exponential equation. If the bases are the same, which they are here, that's really nice. You don't have to do anything except recognize that that means that the exponents must be equal if the bases are equal to each other. So we'll take this and we'll simply sort of ignore the bases for now. And we'll say, well, 3x is equal to x minus 1, and we'll solve that equation. So let's get the x's together. So let's subtract x from both sides. 3x minus 1x is 2x. X minus x is 0. And so we just have -1 over here. We divide by 2, then x is -1/2. And that is our solution to this equation. So if you want to kind of see how that plays out, you can stick around. Otherwise, you should be good to go. All right, so I plugged in or substituted x with the value that we got, -1/2. So let's see what we get here. So 2 to the 3 times -1/2 is -3/2. Or -1.5, 1.5, however you want to think of it. And then -1/2 minus 1 is -1.5, which is -3/2. So same thing on both sides. All right. I hope that was helpful as you get started with exponential equations. See you next time.